Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am back after quite a few months. I didn't promise that I'd be back, but I'd say I might be, and I wasn't. Yeah, it's been a while. It's 2019, Christmas is gone. Merry Christmas everyone. Happy New Year as well. 2018 was a pretty awful year. For many different reasons and for many different people. 2019 is going to be my year. I'm going to make it my year. I go to university this year. I go and study my fine art degree. Now that I'm kind of like, I didn't know what the hell to film. Because I have this urge recently to just get back into it. I miss YouTube. I loved filming. I still do love filming. And I love playing around with makeup. So I really wanted to do it again and try and get back into it. To kind of get back into it, I got some palettes for my birthday and Christmas, one of them being the Juvias Place festival palette. I've been playing with this quite a lot, and I kind of want to just make a lot of videos to set myself back into the whole YouTube thing. And the videos I want to film is just go through my palette collection, my eyeshadow collection, and literally just try and create looks with the palettes. I eventually want to go through every single palette and use absolutely every single shade within that palette. In this palette today I might use like these three, and then in the next video I might use like all of these ones instead. Which I think is a cool thing to do. It's a bit of a challenge to use colours that you wouldn't usually use and kind of discover what I have in my collection. I kind of want to do a pink look that I was practicing the other day. I really liked how it looked, so I want to do that again. So yeah. Ramble over, let's just get into the video. I'm going to start by putting a base down on my eyelid, just using a concealer from this Ultra Cover and Conceal palette from Revolution. Mine has been well loved. So I'm just gonna take this on my finger and I'm going to basically prime my lids with it. Okay, so the first colour that I'm going to use is going to be this one here called, I'm sorry if I'm offensive anyway, I can't pronounce these names because they're all in a different language. So I'm using this like peachy pink colour called Mmanwu, and take that on a big fluffy crease brush and I'm going to blend this through my crease. I'm also going to make a conscious effort to blend it right into like the inner corner. Okay, I'm now going to go in with Iri Ji, or like Iri Ji, and it's this bright like hot pink one right here. So yeah, I'm just taking this on a smaller crease brush and I'm putting this onto the outer corner and on the inner corner in a halo eye shape and then blending it up into the crease into Mmanwu. So now I'm going to go in with Izafa, I think, which is the dark red in the corner there, and I'm going to go in with that on a very small little brush. Looks a little bit more of like a detailed brush, and I'm going to put this on the very outer corner and the very inner corner, keeping it mostly towards the lash line. I'm going to now go in and cut the crease with a concealer. I'm going to cut the crease in the centre, so it's going to be a halo eye. I believe it's called a spotlight. I'm not very good at this, and if I go off screen I'm sorry. It's because I'm concentrating and I like hunch up when I'm concentrating. So let's just see how this goes. And to set that before I look up, which I've just done like loads, I'm going to set that with Uli, which is that white jade. Okay, so I'm now going to go ahead and blend out those edges with Iri Ji and also a little bit of Izafa. So they are kind of like not even, but fortunately I just don't care. So we're gonna move on to glitter. So I'm using this Barry M glitter, fine glitter dust in 15, which is like a white with a gold flecks to it. And I'm using the liquid sugar base from Eye Candy Cosmetics, and I'm going to pack this on the eyelid where we applied the white to the halo eye thing. I'm going to keep this mostly to the cut crease line, as that's where I kind of want most of the glitter to be. Yeah, I'm pretty much done with the eyelids. I'm going to put on my eyebrows and base makeup, and then I'll be back to finish off the eyes, put on lashes, and then move on to the face. Okay, my foundation is quite a bit darker than my neck, so I'm hoping we get to even that out. But eyebrows, I didn't do eyebrows, but let's do them on camera. I'm using a powder because I can't be bothered to do my regular brow routine and then have to like scrub gel and stuff out my eyebrows, so I'd rather just use this, which is the Revolution Brow Palette. Yeah, basically. Oh wow, that's a lot darker than I thought it was going to be. I'm very aware that it's going to get dark soon, since it's almost 3 o'clock. It starts getting dark at 3 o'clock. That's a big brow. Okay, we're rocking the big brows today. I'm going to go onto the lower lash line now, and I'm going to start with a little bit of Mmanwu, which is that peach colour, and I'm just going to fade this underneath my lower lash line. I'm going to take a bit of that hot pink Iri Ji, and I'm going to apply this on the outer and inner corner like I did with the halo on the top, but on the lower lash line. Okay, I'm now going to put a little bit of Uli, and I'm going to put this on the very centre of the lower lash line. Right there. Trying to match it up with the lid as well, so it kind of like follows from the lid to the lower lash line. Okay, and then I'm going to put a little bit of that same glitter we used on the top on the lower lash line as well. Okay, right, that looks really weird right now, so I'm going to quickly apply some eyelashes and some mascara off camera, and the lashes I'm using are the Eldora eyelashes in, have you got a shade or a colour or a number? H153. Okay, right, so lashes are on, mascara is on, eyes are done. I'm going to move onto the face. So I'm going to contour using this Revolution contour palette, which I got in like this set, which obviously came with like the eyebrow kit and stuff, so yeah, cool. I'm going to take the contour shade, or like the bronzing shade, and I'm going to use this to kind of like act as a bronzer slash contour, since I don't want it to be like a really harsh contour. So yeah. Okay, maybe it was harsh. pigmented. For blush, I'm going to kind of like switch it up a little bit, and I'm going to put on a little bit of the Iri Ji shade from the Juvias Place palette. These eyeshadows make some really pretty blushes. I've used Ofala, which is this really pretty red, on the cheeks before, and if you like really blend it out, it makes a really cool like more like orangey red blush, which is cool. They're very pigmented, so you want to use a very light hand because that happens. So obviously that's quite a lot, so I'm just going to take my foundation brush and just blend it out. I'm going to go in with the NYX Highlight and Contour Pro palette, and I'm going to use Soft Light, which is that nude, like whitish matte powder. I'm going to go under the eyes with this just to brighten everything up, and along the jaw. Just I feel like my dark circles are really showing through today. It's not been a good day, hence I'm making this video to try and make myself feel better. I'm going to apply some highlight using, again, the Revolution Pro palette. I'm actually going to put a little bit of the highlighting blush part on top, just to, as a blush topper. I'm very aware that it's now 3:10 and the sun is going. I'm going to add some highlighter using that middle highlight shade. That one there. Oh wow, that's really pigmented too. Oh wow, do you see that? Probably should have gone a little bit more goldy with this look, but you know what? I like it. I was going to use the white that we used in the centre of the lid for highlight in the inner corner, but I'm going to use this highlight on the inner corner instead. It looks so pretty. Okay, I think I'm going to use a bit of the MAC Cream Sheen lipstick in Shy Girl. As I mentioned in my last video, which was the yellow cut crease one, I don't buy cruelty-free makeup anymore. I use whatever I have left, but I'm slowly getting rid of it all as I use it all up, since the damage is already done. But just know that I will not be supporting cruelty-free, like cruelty using brands as of after I finish all my makeup. So yeah, I'm gonna apply this. I don't really like how it looks. I'm gonna apply a little bit of this YSL Tatouage Couture Matte Lip Stain in number 11 on top. This is a little bit more pink, so hopefully it will pink this peachy lip up and make it a bit more appropriate for the look. Okay, I like that more. Okay, so that is kind of the end of the video. I mean, it's not kind of, it is the end of the video. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'm sorry I've been away so long, but you know, I'm sure you can understand that times are busy for a full-time student like myself and everything else like that. Always remember that those links are in my description box, so if you ever need any help, please just go and get some, please. It matters so much to me that people find the support that they need in order to carry on, and I'm hoping that this can be a source of getting that. So yeah, I still really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos, even though we're not posting regularly yet. But you never know, I could post next week, so subscribe. Comment down below what the video you want to see next, and I'll see you in my next video. So yeah, see you later guys, bye. Right, okay, hopefully... No mum, he's out. Sorry? He's out!
Yeah, I realised that. Then why are you asking me? I know no more than you.
Wanna focus? Focus. There we go. No. Okay. What? Now? Maybe now? I'm gonna use that on the inner corners actually. Just, whoa! Okay, wow.